Your latch works.
It's a little tight.
Hey. Hey. Well, guys, got my dad with me again. We got Gates back finally.
He's got to find better company to hang out with, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Can't though. Stuck with you.
Yeah.
You're stuck with me. But my brother Anthony went to St. George because we got a phone call. He was headed anyways. And got these gates for us. So this is just a little update of finished product.
I like them.
Looks as good as the picture.
I think it looks better.
I think it looks nice. Check this out, guys. That's sweet. Open one of these for us. Your latch works.
It's a little tight. Made it that way though.
I was gonna say, I shut the latch and put pressure on it, so when we drilled holes for the pins, it wouldn't just sit and rattle.
We wanted these to go all the way around so they don't hit them on the cement.
Look at that. Not gonna hit it driving.
Or they can open them the other way and they don't hit them either.
Exactly.
Kind of had to get creative with
It's
it.
kind of what they wanted, but all the way open puts you real close
Right there.
against it.
But they open both ways.
A little math, we got that just right, didn't we?
Yeah. This one does the same thing. So
Powder coat, kind of powder coated our threads. So we're gonna run home, get a tap, clean the threads up, and then we're pretty much done with this project.
on to the next.
Looks good. I like it. Hinges are sturdy. Pins hold it. It's not gonna rattle. Perfect. So waited a few weeks for everything to work out. It's been raining the last few days, but those gates are done.
And they like them.
I like them.
Yeah.
I like the double rails on the bottom. I like it a lot.
I like it that it's painted and finished. I don't like them rusty.
The day's just starting. I've got some krail work to do. Brother-in-law Jeff is around, so I'm gonna grab him and let's go do a little krail work. Useless knowledge here, but this metal, this strap, came from Page Steel a lot of years ago. I hauled scrap, hauled cars, hauled junk to Page. They'll pay you by the pound, and then they had a scrap pile of just remnants, odds and end pieces that you could weigh out and just trade. So I traded trash for something usable. I didn't know I was going to use it for this today, but we are. So here is either side of our alleyway, and from the pipe to the bolt, 3.5, 5.5. That one had a big knot in it. 8, 7, 10. That one's got a weld. Yeah, so I got to cut all those out, and I'm not going to keep them straight, but we're just going to put them on if they work, and hopefully this will work. Got a lot of check marks. As long as I can translate that, I guarantee you guys can't. Had a little wasted material in between the holes. But those are good pieces of strap that we will use later at some point. Got one piece left over. Taking that with me. Let's go see what we can do. Let's see if we can get this finished and maybe run a few cows through it. Hey. 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 Forward and back.
Got all of them in one go.
Hey. Hey. Hey guys, they snuck away from me. The sun's about to go down. If you can convert my paper drawing to this is what it is. So our wood alleyway was already bolted on. I didn't do that because it's got a knot in it. Hi. Hey Jeffrey, say hi. Hi. Even though this kid's from Wayne County, he's about the best help there is around.
Still up there in the valley.
Whatever. These ones line up on the inside. That should hold. So that's pretty easy. Just weld them and bolt them. Jeff will send it with the Milwaukee and it'll never come loose. All right, guys, thanks for watching the gate update. I don't remember what happened. I can't find any more footage of building the corral, hooking the head catch on our little alleyway. I don't know what happened. Jeff was good help. We got it welded on, and I think it got dark on us. I don't think we even got cows to the corral, and then it just ended, and there was no follow-up. So I apologize. It's about that time of year again, and we'll get to the corrals, and I'll give you a better rundown of how it works using it. But for now, I went to the post office. Dave Clark, Fort Atkins, sends us a package, and let's see what it is. What in the heck? No way. Those are cool. Those are way cool. I know of some boys that will be using those right here shortly. They'll be putting them to work. Those are pretty cool. You put a lot of work into those. So we appreciate you fans. We have some awesome fans. Thank you guys for all that you do for us. And the Mount Carmel Car Show is this weekend. We did not get a booth because we really don't have anything to take down there, but we'll be around. We're going to play with Merlin Friday. He's going to help us with Anthony's 12 valve, do some stuff, get it tuned up, dowel pins fixed. So watch his channel for that. If you guys are around Southern Utah, definitely worth going to the Mount Carmel Car Show this weekend, Friday, Saturday. So hopefully we'll see you there. Not sure when or where we'll be there, but we will be around. So. And since we won't be selling merch at the car show this weekend, maybe hop on our website and check our merch out. We've got some hats, shirts. It's almost hoodie weather, which I love. I love the cool mornings. So if you guys want to plan for that, grab you a hoodie. That would be fantastic. And the welding sleeves are on there also. If you check out our last video with cutting cedar posts, we tested them on there and they worked great. So they work for more than just in the shop, outdoors as well. Like a pair of gloves, pretty inexpensive, but something nice to have on hand. If you guys want to check that out, we would appreciate it. I'll be giving these guns to Rhett and letting him tear them up. We'll catch you guys next time.